4.2, rates. I can use ratios as rates.
What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes.
So using ratios and rates should not have been something that challenged us too very much. The biggest challenge, I think, in this lesson is remembering the difference between a ratio and a rate. If you will notice, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A rate is a comparison of two quantities. A unit rate, going all the way down here, is a comparison of two quantities. So they're all comparing two quantities. The difference is a ratio ends at a comparison of two quantities. A rate is a comparison of two quantities that have what?
Different labels.
So different measurements, such as miles per hour, beats per minute if you're doing your heart rate. And then taking it one step further, two different measurements, but the second measurement is always what on a unit rate?
One.
Okay. When you see the word per, you know you're probably dealing with a rate. Okay? And all rates have different labels. A ratio may not have a different label, but rates do. Okay? So when I was eating my pizza, I was comparing how many pizzas I ate to how many I did not eat a couple of days ago, right? Pizza slices to pizza slices, those are the same label, so it's just a ratio. Yes, no?
Yes.
Our practice below, we had our little friend Levi in here for a little bit today. I'm not sure why he was here, but he was here. He can run 80 laps in 20 minutes in a gym. You all told me that a rate would be 80 laps to 20 minutes, right? Could you write it like this? Yes or no? Yes. I would always recommend, though, to keep things straight, including the label. Always include the label. And then you guys reduced it by using our bubble method. You divided 80 and 20 by a common factor of 20 to get to the unit rate. And we know this is a unit rate because why? Why is that a unit rate, Rayanne? Why is 4 laps to 1 minute the unit rate for Levi's running? Because why? Because the quantity of 1 on the bottom. The last number, the bottom number is always 1. Okay? And then Tori was eating hot dogs, and you guys did basically the same thing. She can eat 25 hot dogs in 5 hours. You found that the unit rate for Tori is 5 hot dogs per 1 hour. That's the unit rate because of that number 1.